For more than 5 decades, the massive Sikorsky CH-53 has stood as the undisputed heavy lifter of the German Luftwaffe, carrying troops, vehicles and supply pallets across operations nationwide and abroad. But with the venerable CH-53 reaching the absolute limit of its operational service life by 2030, the Bundeswehr set in motion one of the most significant rotary wing modernizations to date. Germany is procuring 60 Boeing CH-47F Chinook Block II heavy lift transport helicopters. With deliveries beginning in late 2027 and continuing through 2032, Germany is set to become the third largest Chinook operator in the world, behind only the United States and Japan, fundamentally upgrading the nation's airborne logistics, NATO integration and special operations support. At the core of the Chinook's legendary reputation is its unmistakable tandem rotor configuration. Unlike conventional helicopters that utilize a single main rotor paired with a power-draining tail rotor to counteract torque, the CH-47 features 2 massive counter-rotating main rotor heads. Because the forces cancel each other out naturally, every ounce of power generated by its 2 Honeywell T55 turboshaft engines is converted directly into vertical lift and forward thrust. Delivering roughly 10,000 combined horsepower, this propulsion system propels the giant aircraft to a top speed of 315 km per hour, allowing it to operate efficiently at altitude ceilings of up to 6,000 meters while maintaining exceptional stability in high wind and hostile environments. The performance leap over the outgoing fleet is dramatic, particularly when evaluating payload and fleet availability. The CH-47F can transport up to 11.8 tons using its triple external cargo hooks, effectively doubling the sling load capability of the legacy CH-53. Inside, a cargo cabin measuring over 9 meters long can accommodate 30 fully equipped soldiers, light tactical vehicles, or up to 24 medical stretchers for intensive air medical evacuations. Equally crucial for force readiness is maintenance efficiency. Where the aging CH-53 required extensive maintenance overhauls lasting up to 6 months for every 200 flight hours, the modern CH-47F achieves 320 flight hours between routine inspections that take just 6 weeks, keeping a vastly higher percentage of the fleet flight ready at any given time. And Germany's customized model, designated the CH-47F Block II SRAAR, incorporates around 20 tailored modifications designed specifically to meet Luftwaffe combat requirements. The standard range variant features a prominent nose-mounted air-to-air refueling probe, enabling mid-flight fuel transfer from tankers like the KC-130J to extend operational endurance far beyond its baseline 630 km mission radius. Survivability in high-threat environment is bolstered by the Common Infrared Countermeasure System, which actively tracks and jams heat-seeking missile guidance systems, complemented by radar and laser warning receivers. For defensive firepower during hot extractions, the airframe supports 3 MG6 machine gun positions situated at the forward side windows and rear cargo ramp, complete with wind deflectors and dedicated handrails for crew safety during fast roping maneuvers. Mainly home-stationed with Helicopter Wing 64 at Holzdorf and Laupheim, the new fleet will form the core backbone for tactical air transport for combat search and rescue, special operations insertion, and domestic emergency relief. Operating the same platform as 8 other NATO allies establishes immediate logistics synergy, enabling shared spare parts, joint pilot training in facilities like Fort Rucker, and seamless integration on multinational coalition missions. As construction on the German airframes moves forward, the CH-47F Block II ensures that the Bundeswehr's heavy transport aviation will remain flexible, highly available, and combat-ready well into the decades ahead. And I must say, in my early times in the Bundeswehr, I had the luck to be stationed in the Netherlands, in a base that doesn't exist anymore, but still. And I had the fun to fly with a Dutch CH-47 at that time, and it was remarkable. And the Dutch crew was remarkable, I have to say. It was a great experience. So once again, thanks again to the Dutch comrades that took us at the time. It was great being stationed in the Netherlands.